Kung gusto mo ng mas malinis at mas mabilis na pagluluto, ang hirap magbuhos ng mantika o toyo nang hindi natatapon. Lagi may tumutulo, kumakalat, at nagiging sticky yung kitchen counter. Pero may smart life hack gamit ang kitchen oil squeeze bottle. Press mo lang at kontrolado mo agad bawat patak. Smooth, controlled dispensing, zero spills. Leak-free cover, walang tulo kahit baliktarin. Transparent body, kita agad kung kailan refill. Perfect for oil, soy sauce, vinegar, ketchup, mayo, barbecue sauce. Also for pancake mix, syrup, salad dressing. Even for arts and crafts, liquid wax, polish, conditioner. Food grade E5, safe, durable, pang araw-araw. Ang kagandahan nito sobrang linis tingnan at ang dali gamitin. Tingnan niyo muna yung sold, trusted na at proven na useful sa kusina. Check out mo na para mas organized, mas mabilis, at walang tapon sa pagluluto.